Hi everyone and welcome back to the Java class. In today's session, we will learn how to download and install Eclipse IDE to create your first Java project. So let us simply type download Eclipse and press enter. Click on the first link, Eclipse download. It will redirect you on the official page of Eclipse IDE. So this is a page from where you can download Eclipse IDE to create your first Java program. Scroll down and here you can see there is a link download packages. Click on it. From this page, you can see the latest Eclipse installer 2024-12 release. So to write and run your Java programs, no need to install Java separately. Java and GRE both will come with this latest Eclipse installer. So here you can see this is the Eclipse installer 2024-12R now includes GRE for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So in today's session, I will show you how to download Eclipse for Windows platform. So here you have different platform you can download for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So I will go for the Windows. So click on this link. It will redirect you on the download page. Click on the download button and your download will start very soon. So here you can see your download has been started and it will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes. The size of this setup is 163 MB. So let us wait for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, your setup is downloaded and ready to install. So how to install it? This is your Eclipse installer setup for Windows platform. Right click on it and select run as administrator. So your setup will start very soon. Click on yes. Your setup or Eclipse installer will start very soon and it is starting. You can see this is Eclipse installer. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to ready the setup. So here you can see your setup is ready to install. Here you will get the multiple options. You can install Eclipse IDE for Java developers, where you can write a simple and some advanced level of Java programs. If you would like to do some web programming, you would like to develop some enterprise Java program, so you can go for the second option. So right now, I'm just selecting the first one. Select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here you can see it is showing Java is automatically included in this setup, Java 21 plus virtual machine. And where it will install, this is the installation folder. So you will go in your directory. Inside this directory, your Eclipse will be installed and click on the install right now. Your setup is installing and it will take 3 to 4 minutes to install your setup. So just wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so your Eclipse setup has been installed. You can see this is a green button. You can click on launch. So your Eclipse IDE 2024-12 release is starting and it will take 5 to 10 seconds to open. And here you can see from this window, you can select a directory or a workplace. So by default, it is creating a Eclipse workspace where your all project, your files will be stored. You can change if you would like to rename it. So for example, I am renaming it Eclipse Workspace 1. There is no need to rename it because I have already have one workspace named Eclipse Workspace 1. So I'm just changing it Eclipse Workspace 1. Click on the launch. Your IDE is launching and will start very soon. Wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so it is started. You can maximize it. And this is a welcome page of your Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you will have different options like how to create a Hello World applications, the guides. You will get how to create new Java projects. On the right hand side, you can see overview, tutorials, samples, and something new documentations you will get from this welcome page. Here we have multiple links, so you can explore later. So right now I'm just closing it. This is a welcome page. So from this is your Eclipse IDE interface. And here on the left hand side, we have a package explorer. Here we have a link, create Java project, create Maven project, create a project, and import projects, right? So in order to create your first Java project, you can click on this link, create Java project, and it will redirect you, or it will open a new Java project window from where you can enter some details. So I'm just closing it. And the second way to create a Java project, you will simply go to the file, go to new, and here you can select Java project. So from this options, you have multiple ways. You can create Java project, Maven project, simple project, packages, class, interfaces, so many options you will get. So in order to create your first Java program, you need to create a Java project. Select this part, file, new, Java project. So this is your window to create a first Java project. You can keep or you can put any name of your first Java project. So I'm using a first Java app. I'm using first Java app. And here you can see where is the default location. It is taking the default location inside Eclipse Workspace 1 that we have already selected. Inside it, this project is created, first Java app, right? So this is a project name. You can use any project name. Then it is showing Java runtime environment, and it is taking Java standard edition 23, Java 23 it is taking. From this, you can select any version of the Java. You can select 22, you can work on 21, that is your wish. So right now we are taking the latest one, Java standard edition 23. So you will scroll down, and here you can see this is a module label, and this is a checkbox, create module info.java file. You can uncheck it. So it will not force you to create a package if you would like to create a Java program. So click on the next. Now here you can see your directory is created, first Java app. Inside it, we have a source folder src. Go to the next, go to the finish now. So this is our package explorer. On the left hand side, you can see if you will expand it, it contains your latest Java system library, JRE system library, that contains all the relevant libraries, compiler, the interpreter, and the multiple interfaces it contains, which are required to run your Java programs. And the src folder will be created automatically that contains all the source code. So how to create your first Java program? Right click on your project, go to new, and select a class. So here, this is a window from where you can create a class. Okay, so here you can see this is a small window in order to create your first Java class. So this is how to create a new class. So this is a source folder where your class will be created. This is our default package. By default, it is taking the name of a project. So here our project name is first Java app. So it is taking first Java app as a package name. Or if you would like to use some other package name, you can use other package name. You can remove it or you can change it. That is your wish. And this is a name of a class. So I am using here the main app. This is a name of the class. The class name may be anything, but must not have a space. So here you can see if I will add a space, it will show the type name is not valid. The type name main app is not a valid identifier. So the class name must be a valid identifier. So valid identifier means it must not include a white space, right? So modifiers, by default, this class is public and this is a super class. In Java programming language, object is a super class of all the classes by default, and which is present inside a java.lang package. If you need to add a main method inside it, you can select it. So it will create a package first Java app that contains a main app as a class name, and it contains a main program. So just click on finish. So you can see a package is created, first Java app, main app.java, right? So here you can see this is our first program. So package name is first Java app. This is your class name, main app, or this is a main function, right? So each program contains at least one function that is known as a main function, that is a driver program from which you will execute all the code. So how to display simple message? Simply you will write system.out.println, and this is the way how will you display some message. So simply you will write hello Java, or you will save your program. Your program is completed. First program, right click on it and go to run as Java application. And here we go. This is the output. You can change the output. This is hello Java. If you would like to display some other messages like hello world, for example, right? You can just edit this program, this content you can edit, you can save it, right click on it and run it again. You will get the updated output. So here we go. You can see this is the hello world. So guys, this is a way how to create your first project in Eclipse, how to create first class in Eclipse in order to display some messages like hello world or welcome message, right? So guys, I hope you understand how to download, install, and how to create your first Java project. So thank you for watching these videos. Bye bye for now. We'll see in the next class. Have a great day.